The time isn't now for Groupon. That's what Rolf Winkler of the Herd on the Street team says. I've been saying the time is well gone for Groupon for a while, but you've got a new reason for not liking Groupon.
Yeah.
What is this? I mean,
a key product of theirs isn't working out. So last week isn't working out so far. Last week,
this is
CEO
other than
Andrew
the coupons.
Mason.
This is other than the coupon business.
Well, they're
which I
trying to
think
move
is
beyond
awful.
the daily deal coupon business is
Yeah.
slowing, and
Yes.
they're trying to move beyond it. And one thing, when they were selling stock to the public last November, they did their roadshow. They said, don't pay attention to the slowing core business. We got this new thing coming called Groupon Now, which is actually kind of nifty when you think about it. The idea, anyway, is very nifty.
So
where
explain the idea.
instead of pushing deals to you every day to your inbox, what if we had so many deals in our system that we could actually give you a mobile app that would allow you to pull deals to yourself based on your location?
So
say you're hungry, and maybe Chipotle outside wants to sell me a lunch special, right? I could maybe pull a coupon right now and go over there. That's the general idea.
What do you think? Does that sound good?
I think it doesn't deal with the core issue, which is if you are somewhat cynical, as I am, and you view
Only somewhat?
yeah, Groupon's it's a marketing cost. It's not. The question is whether or not it's a standalone business. Is the coupon business, no matter how it's structured, whether it's structured as a push or a pull, is it fundamentally a sustainable business? That's the question at the end of the time. Or is it really just an in-house marketing program? I mean, that's the core issue. And no matter how you slice and dice it, I don't think it deals with that core issue.
And that's the problem. What's happening with Groupon now is, in theory, it makes a lot of sense. The problem is they don't have a huge density of deals, and it's not really catching on. What happened last week is that Andrew Mason, the CEO, said at a conference, it's not material. Don't expect it to be material for this quarter, for at least 1 or 2 quarters, effectively, right? So the product's been out there about a year now, or will have been over the next 2 quarters, and it isn't really catching on.
And he's going to learn that
this is the thing. This is the thing that these guys have been pushing at their roadshow. Is this is the next version of Groupon, and maybe it will take time. Maybe they will get more deals. Maybe, but the bottom line is this thing still has a $13 billion valuation, and if the core business is slowing,
it works. Somebody believes it works.
Somebody believes it works, but there are a lot of retail investors out there. But one thing is, this going to snap him out of Andrew Mason out of his sort of yoga pose when he realizes that his investors actually want to see results every quarter?
Well, I don't. Does he? I think he knows that he has to deliver results on a quarterly basis. Yeah,
he's perfectly aware of that.
I don't think this is news to him. I think the real.
I think it might be, actually. I think it might be. Dude, they're going to want to see results. They're going to want to see returns.
He knows that. I think the issue really, as Rolf touches on, is around the share price here, which is it's still pretty much close to where its IPO. It still is walking around with a $13 billion valuation. And the question is going to be, can it sustain this valuation with profits and revenue growth?
Because the issue being, they've cut back on the marketing. Across the industry, people really dialed back the marketing in the last couple quarters. And as you might expect, growth has come down a bit. Maybe not as fast as some people might have expected, but it's still slowing pretty dramatically. And the problem is we just don't have profits yet. We don't have significant profits out of this model to justify that huge valuation. So if you don't have the growth, if you don't have the profits, what are you going to hang your hat on?
So, Mr. Mason, get to it, get some profits.